Hello everyone. In this video I will share with you how to make money with affiliate links on Facebook Reels. First, go to the viral marketing category, then select the Facebook Post Reel feature at the bottom. Next, you choose the video to post, can be a re-up video, and enter your affiliate link in the description. Finally, just select the accounts that are managing the page and click Start. The software will automatically post Facebook Reels in bulk. We hope this video will help your affiliate marketing work. Wish you success and earn a lot of money from Facebook Reel. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more knowledge.